Hello students, let's learn math subject grade 9 chapter 7. Chapter name is triangles. Now if you look at your photograph, passport size photograph, right, which is developed from the same lab, photo lab, the photographs will be identical, right? Or if you take a look at two 1 rupee coins or 2 rupee coins, any denomination of coins or note, the shape and the size will be the same, they will be identical. So you can say that they are Xerox copy of each other. ऐसा बोल सकते हैं ना कि एक जैसे ही दिखते हैं वो, मतलब एक दूसरे का कार्बन कॉपी है या जेरोक्स कॉपी है. अभी ट्रायंगल्स के मामले में कैसा करेंगे हम लोग? ए बी सी एक ट्रायंगल है और एक है पी क्यू आर, दो ट्रायंगल है जिसका साइड ए बी 4.5 सेंटीमीटर है और पी क्यू 4.5 सेंटीमीटर है, ओके, और क्यू आर 5 सेंटीमीटर है, इधर बी सी 5 सेंटीमीटर है, राइट. All these angles, all these dimensions, if you see, when you compare this triangle with this triangle, when you have a look, you will come to know that they are equal, right? So you can say that all these sides are equal to these sides of triangle PQR. So you can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, right? How will we write the symbol of congruency? Make two lines parallel, okay, horizontal lines, and on that make this symbol. This is the symbol of congruency. Now you can say that vertex A and vertex P, these both are also similar, right? Vertex B and vertex Q, these both are also similar. Vertex C and vertex R are both similar. Now in congruent triangles, the corresponding parts, this part is equal to this part. We can say that they are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This whole triangle are congruent, so these are the parts of it which are congruent to each other. So the short form you can write it as CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. You have to remember this. We will be using this frequently in the next sums, right? Now let's learn about the axiom. Axiom 7.1. What does it say? Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to each other. Then the included angle of the other triangle is also equal. The side angle side can be explained better with the help of an example. You see these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, where angle B is equal to angle Q, that is equal to 50 degrees, and angle A and side AB is equal to side PQ, that is equal to 2 centimeters, and angle BC is equal to angle side QR is equal to 4 centimeters, right? How the side angle side congruency can be proved? Let's see. First of all, whatever information is given, first of all you will have to write it down, okay? Now let's learn about angle side angle congruency. What does it say? That if two included angles of two triangles are equal and the included side is equal to the other triangle, then it is said that the two triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle. Let us see this with the help of an example. Now let's learn about angle, side, angle congruency rule. What does it say? Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle. What does this mean? Angle B is equal to angle E, right? Both are different triangles, and angle C of triangle ABC is equal to angle DFE of triangle DEF, right? And the included side, for example BC side is equal to side EF. So you can say that these both triangles are congruent triangles by which theorem? Angle, side, angle theorem, right? How will we prove this? Let's see. Whatever information is given, first we will write it down. Always make a habit of writing whatever information is given. Two triangles, triangle ABC, this is the symbol of a triangle. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are given, in which angle B is equal to angle E is given, angle C is equal to angle F, this is also given, and side BC is equal to side EF, this is also given, right? So we have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So what has to be done? Now to prove this, there are three cases. Let's see first case 1. Now you have to assume let AB equal to BE, right? You have to assume this, it is not given. Now since AB is equal to DE, angle B is equal to angle E, right? This is given. What else is given? Side BC, sorry, not angle. Side BC is equal to side EF. This is also given. Now, since this two information is given, we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. How we can say this? By side angle side congruency rule, right? Now let's see about case 2. Now let's solve this by case 2. Now if AB is greater than this DE side, so what we will do, we will take a point P on this line AB such that PB will be equal to DE, right? Now instead of taking this whole triangle ABC, we will consider this triangle PBC, right? And try to solve this congruency rule. Here we will write everything what we have said. Let AB be greater than DE. So we can take a point P. Take a point P on AB such that PB equal to DE. Now consider triangle PBC and triangle DEF. Now in triangle PBC and triangle DEF, PB will be equal to DE. How we can say that? By construction. Since we have constructed this line, angle B equal to angle E. This is given. One more thing is given, side BC is equal to side EF, right? So we can conclude that triangle PBC is congruent to triangle DEF. How we can say that? By side angle, side axiom for congruence, right? Now since the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts will be equal. So we can say that angle PCB is equal to angle DFE. Okay, but here we are given that angle ACB is equal to angle DFE. This is given, and we are given that ACB is equal to DFE. So now ACB will be equal to PCB. Angle ACB is equal to angle DFE, and angle ACB will be equal to angle PCB. How we can say that? How it is possible? Only when A and P coincide each other, means they meet each other, then only this angle will be equal. So BA will be equal to ED, right? Then only that angle will be equal, right? Angle ACB equal to angle PCB. It is possible only if P coincides with A, or BA equal to ED. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by side angle side axiom. This was case number 2. Now let's see, there are total 3 cases. In the second case, we have considered that this is greater than this length. Okay. Now let's see about case 3. Okay. This is case 3. Now two triangles are given. Triangle ABC, triangle DEF. Now the side AB is equal to side DE, but DE is greater than AB. So what we will do, we will take a point M such that we will take a point M on DE such that AB will be equal to ME, right? The size of AB will be equal to ME. Now we will write whatever is given in triangle ABC and triangle MEF. AB is equal to MF. How we can say that these both are same? This is by construction. Right? These both are equal. AB is equal to ME. Why? We have constructed this. And angle B is equal to angle E. This is given. Okay. Now side BC is equal to side EF. Okay. Now we can conclude that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle MEF. How we can say that? By side angle side axiom. Now since the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts will be equal, right? So angle ACB will be equal to angle MFE. But we are given that angle DFE is equal to angle ACB, right? So we can write that angle DFE will be equal to angle MFE. How we can write that? If this M point and D point coincide with each other, right? Only then this angle will be equal to this angle, right? That means the side of length of side AB will be equal to ME. Only then it is possible. So we can write this is possible only if M coincides with D and AB equal to DE. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DFE. We can say this side angle side axiom. Okay.